How to use multiple desktop in Windows 11. In this video, I will show you how can you easily use the new feature of multiple desktop in Windows 11. So without any delay, let's get into it. By following the easy steps in this video, you will be able to use the new and dynamic feature of Windows 11 of multiple desktop. So how can you create multiple desktop? Beside the start menu, you can see a double screen type icon. Click on it and then you will see the option of desktop 1, and if you have only opened a single desktop, then a new desktop beside it. Once you click on it, you will be able to create another desktop. And as you can see their names, desktop 1 and desktop 2. If you like, you can change their name. You just need to click on it, and when you right click on them, you have the option to rename it, move to right, or change its background as well. Now, as you can see in this desktop 1, you can see a lot of tabs are opened. You can also see the different application opened in a particular desktop by double clicking on it. As I click on desktop 1, you can see which applications are opened in my first desktop. When you switch to desktop 2, I have opened no application here, so it's empty. So that's how you can use the feature of multiple desktop in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.